This 2026 Honda Passport RTL in radiant red with a black interior delivers strong performance with modern technology. The powerful V6 engine provides smooth, confident acceleration, while intelligent all-wheel drive adds control in changing road conditions. Inside, the black leather trim seats are heated and power adjustable, creating a comfortable and refined cabin. The large touchscreen system offers seamless smartphone integration, built-in navigation, and a premium audio system for clear sound. Honda Sensing adds adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and collision mitigation braking for added confidence. With a hands-free power tailgate, generous cargo space, and rugged styling, the Passport RTL is built for everyday driving and weekend adventure.